Good morning. It's bank holiday weekend and we're in the middle of a heat wave. It's hot. Jesus, it's hot. Nathan's out doing a bit of gardening for Grandad. Say good morning. Hello there. There's some £20 notes hidden in here, so he's having a good go. Can't find him. He's been sort of crikey, putting like stones. I'm not a gardener. Putting stones in here to try to tidy it up. Welcome back to Dad and Lad Classics. And it's been a couple of weeks. You'll probably find out later why we didn't do any filming last weekend at all. And you'll probably find out later on in another video as to why. But I'll show you what yesterday and today I've been doing a bit of work. Just, it's kind of stuff you've all seen before, so I didn't bother filming this either, but I thought I'd show you where we were up to. So that there is the block of the replacement engine that I got, and I'll do this without making a mess. Probably not, but yeah, there's a big ridge. I can't remember, cylinder 2 possibly. I think cylinder 2. Big ridge, and really scored. The other 3 absolutely fine. They're like glass to feel inside, but for some reason cylinder 2 is kaput. Come round here. Oh, Grandad's on with the midget. He's got the head all back together and might actually be running later today if we can get it sorted out. It still wants to do an oil change and what have you, but hopefully if that will be up and running, because it's actually a car show week on 2 weeks today, so wants a good wash and clean and what have you. But I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this. This here is the crank and the pistons and the shells and things out of that other engine, all in really good condition. So it's a bit dark, and they're all excellent in actual fact. Some of them look like they might have been changed, but I don't think they have, but they're in such good condition, so hopefully we can reuse those. This engine here is the original engine, the engine that was in the car. So I stripped out the replacement engine, all the bits I wanted from it. I'm obviously going to scrap the block to get this one on the engine stand and start having a look at this. And of course we had that piston that was wobbling around a little bit. I might have found the problem. So I've literally just took the sump out. If I go this piston number 2. As my dad said, Grandad, oh, I've never seen that before. Very strange. What's even more weird is if it's obliterated the shell, there's nothing in the strainer, there's no bits of metal. It's sort of brown and oily in there, not grey, like metallic-y grey coloured. All very strange, very strange. So my plan for today is to strip this out the same as the other one, and have a look, see what's going on, and try and cobble something together from the two of them. Hopefully we can. What I did notice when I took on the flywheel, it actually looks like it's had a new crankshaft seal fitted. Somebody's definitely been in here before. It's had the new crankshaft seal fitted. By the looks of it, it looks very new-ish. Probably still 15, 20-year-old. 20-year-old probably. But it had a new clutch fitted in 2000, I think it's dated 2006, and this car's been off the road since 2008. There's a new, I don't know where it is, it's there, and I know it's not the original. I'm pretty sure it's not the original because it's made in France, while The clutch on that engine was the original AISIN, AISIN, made in Japan. So, that's where we are. I'm going to be stripping this down. We'll get it all stripped down, scrapped and cleaned up, and go from there.
Go down the wrong way. You go down the wrong way.
There we go.
Number one's the same. It was much worse. Number one's the same. What's going down? What's going on? Shouldn't have done so. Let's go. Come on. Where's that stuff? Where's that Stilson you had? Where's that wrench you had yesterday? In the back or? Out here? Oh yeah.
You see that? I don't know. Go fly, mate. Huh?
Well, that's goosed. so I'm interested in this one. Oh yeah. Right, I'll just knock them out now.
Yeah, it's starting to feel it now, it's starting to go. Yeah.
Where's the other one gone? Is it on? Oh, there isn't one, is there? Oh, yeah, there is. So it's left of the shell. That should be looking like, well, shouldn't be looking like that, but should be like that. That's nasty.
Say it's true. What? On a 50 lad. Bit warm. Have you shut down something?
Hello. Oh my god.
It's still hot. Oh, you want that one? Sorry, no.
Oops. So these are well goosed.
Interesting. That's fun.
So this one is the one that was most next to no shell at all in this one. Not a surprise. Well, no, just no. That looks like no shell at all on here. Let's have a look.
Yep, nothing at all. No shell. Just fell off a little bit of this one. Look. Turn it around so you can get both of the ones in together.
Oh, it's hot. Right, so is it better if I come around this way? So this is our, well, the two that were wobbling around was this one and this one, and I mean there's no big gouge, well not big gouges, but it's really rough. Interestingly, this one's actually probably worse. This one had a little bit of a shell in it. Oh, well, you can see that there and there. This one had a shelling, but again it's got some marks in it, and this one's got some, actually this one's not too bad, but all the shells are definitely worn. And I can see, oh, it's a big if I put my microphone there, let's see, can I do this? Oh, it's so awkward. Kaput. So the next step is to get these off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then get this front bit off, and then the back bit off, and then we can get the whole crank out and have a look and see what the rest of it's like. Hopefully these will be okay, but we don't know. Considering this car's only done 108,000 miles and it's Japanese in a Toyota, that looks like a lot of wear to me, but maybe that's a problem. Right.
These are the days you should be driving and not working on them. So these are the days you should be driving and not working on them. Bye. Come on, right time. Okay, let me see.
Bit worn.
Bit one. Same.
Oh dear. So this one is the one that was on number 2, which had no piston shell on it whatsoever. Put it in there, you probably see that way. And it's all rough as old boots. So it's all twisted. That one's out with the one that had no thingy on it for that. What the? It's been wobbling around, hasn't it? Oh, sorry. Yeah. What the?
Yeah.
Guessing this one might be silver. I think these will go again. So the next job is we're going to strip the front end off, and we'll take it off the stand to get this off. And that's that, put it back together. It's nice if I can just get it stripped, and then when we drop the other crank in, and we're happy with that for today, but it is way too hot. That one, yeah. Shaft we measured up there.
Measure. What's wrong with that? 47.74.
What's that one?
And that we'll put on a decent one.
38.1. 0.4 of a mil.
Hey you, this won't take long, but Dad and Lad at the minute don't get money from these videos, so we've set up a Buy Me a Coffee, which is basically just like Patreon. It's still in the works, but we have stuff in mind. In the nearby future, you can basically check out and see early access to early videos in progress, or just donate to us, please, and we'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Link will be in our community posts or in our description. Bye!
Oh, right, let's get these off. What size is that? It's not 10. Mm-hmm. 12. Oh, that doesn't sound very good, does it? It's not 12. What size is that? Oh, put the right one on, probably help. That one. That off. Oops, God. 14. Sounds a bit rough. Okay, got to get this off next. So what I got a few weeks ago, I don't know if I showed you this or not, was this little bit of kit, pretty good actually. If I can remember how to use it. That on there. AB tools, I don't know if you can see. Wasn't very expensive. It's not exactly a top of the range thing, but it did get the other one off, so hopefully I'll get this one off. Yes, coming easy. What did I do that for? There we go. So next we've got to get that one out, all of these. Might as well just take the lot out, to be honest. So we'll take the oil pump off. That's a long one. Another one filling the oil. Oh, oil pump. Out. Then let them all out. Looks like it. Oh, that came off a bit too easy. And there we go. That's that off. Now I'm going to take off the stand to get the other end off. It's a bit of a pain. I'm just going to pause filming for a while, it's too hot. Right, so last video for today. So we've got the block stripped completely, got the main big crankshaft seal off, block out. What I'm going to do is, I was going to start putting it back together, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a big tub of something, give it a good clean, give it a lick of paint while it's like this, and then start putting it back together, because I want to paint it all silver or something like that, no, probably silver. So I'm going to park that for today. Ow, let's just walk straight into it. So the bits are all in here, just goes through, and that's the crank that's going to be dropped into it. Everything else on the block actually I think is okay. Just wants a bit of a clean. The all of the cylinders look okay. Yeah, looks alright. So I was having a look at why what had happened to the shells, and then I was looking in the sump that came off that block, and I'll show you. So if you look in there, you can see it's just full of mashed up metal. I picked a little bit out there. It is just completely full of the sun. It's a bit awkward, but it's just completely full of mashed up shell. And there we go. Right, that's it for Project MR2. I might do a little bit on the MR2 this afternoon. I've got a couple of things to update on that, so we'll see what it's like when I get home and get sorted out. I think we'll pick the MR2 up again tomorrow. Ciao.